To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Welcome back. And now let's talk about the upcoming Asia Cup and India's participation, because it still hangs in the balance, where Pakistani media seems to be already jumping to conclusion, pushing a narrative that BCCI has already agreed to play. The truth, however, there has been no such decision that has been made as of now. Sources suggest that no official call has been taken yet by the BCCI on India's Asia Cup participation, despite pressure being mounting behind the scenes. With the tournament set for September this year in the UAE, the board that is now expected to take a final decision this week itself. Why the urgency? Well, India seems to be now, if it pulls out of the tournament, could trigger massive revenue losses. Now, we've accessed an email from the Asia Cup's main sponsor, which is TCM Sports Management, to the Asian Cricket Council, that has been warning BCCI's indecision is hurting their commercial targets, and the mail urges the ACC to step in and to find a solution fast, stressing that time is running out and the Asia Cup remains the Council's biggest draw as far as with regards to India's participation is concerned. Now, amid the suspense over Indian cricket team possibly skipping the Asia Cup 2025, there has been reports in Pakistani media that seems to be circulating that both India and Pakistan, Karishma, will be part of this continental tournament in September this year. As far as BCCI is concerned, it hasn't taken any official decision yet. But in the meantime, we have been speaking to the people there, of course, with the already strained relation that the two nations has shared, has further deteriorated since the ghastly Pahalgam terror attack as well, but remains to be seen, according to the decision, Karishma, that the BCCI finally takes.
Well, yes, absolutely. BCCI has not taken any official decision as yet as far as the Asia Cup is concerned. In fact, what we're expecting is that by the end of this week, there could be some clarity as to whether the Asia Cup will happen or not. What we can confirm is that there is a lot of pressure on the BCCI to participate in the Asia Cup from the host broadcaster, because at stake is $170 million that we're talking about, and everyone knows that without India there is no venue in world cricket. So it is imperative for the host broadcaster and also for the sponsor that India participate and also host the Asia Cup. But no official decision has been taken as yet, even as the Pakistani media claims that BCCI has confirmed its participation. This is yet another tactic from the PCB, because the PCB chairman is also the ACC chairman, but we can confirm that there has been no official decision as yet.
Yes, but without the participation, of India in any cricket tournament, wouldn't it render the cricket tournament as something which would be unwatchable without the Indian side participating in it, Karishma?
Well, it's absolutely, Amita, because we've seen in any series, in any ICC event, it is India that gets the majority of the revenue. So that is why the host broadcasters always insist on India participating, because we've seen the Indian fans also having the potential to fill up stadiums in any part of the world, whether it's England, whether it's Caribbean, whether it's Australia. So that is why it is very, very important that India participate in the Asia Cup if the sponsors and the host broadcasters are to recover the money that they spent on getting the rights for the Asia Cup.
All right, these developments that are now coming to light, but more importantly, Karishma, would there be national sentiment that would be given priority or commercial interests and targets with regards to the sponsors who seems to be asking the BCCI to come to a conclusion fast?
Amita, when we had reported this in May, the sentiment was that we are not going to play Pakistan and that we are not going to let the Asia Cup happen, because that was the sentiment of the nation at that point in time. But now there is, of course, new developments. Like I said earlier, $170 million at stake. When that much amount of money is involved, things obviously change. So like I said, it will be a very interesting and important week to see what the BCCI does, because the host broadcaster stands to lose a lot of money
Well, what is being
without
said
India.
that the BCCI is expected to arrive to a decision by this week itself, mounting pressure there from the sponsors. However, the PCB is of the opinion that India is already participating. However, the truth is that there has been no final decision that has been taken by the BCCI.